Today we're talking about foam rolling. You may have had one of these at home. You may have one at the gym. I'm going to show you how to do it properly. Stop rushing your foam rolling. It's not about speed. Slow it down, do it properly, do it right. If we're going to roll our ITB, you take your time. ITB's on the side of your leg there. Find points and hold it there for a little bit. So I'm going to roll up 1 to 2 inches per second. You're not going very fast at all. And when you find a tight point, hold it till it releases. Breathe into it. Take your time. Yeah, it's going to be uncomfortable a few spots, but take your time. It's going to feel better afterwards. All right, that one's done there. I'm going to go to the next one. Oh, good one there. Take your time. Hold it again for a few seconds. If it's really tough, breathe into it. Slow your breathing down. Change your posture if you need to. Bring your hands down. Okay, whatever's more comfortable for you. That one's gone now already. Good. Roll it down again. Keep rolling. That's a tight one there. Same thing. Hold it 1 or 2 seconds. Once they're all released, then you're going to go back and forth and now roll the whole ITB. Again, 1 to 2 inches per second. Not too fast. It's not a race. All the way up and all the way down. Okay? So there you go. A simple advice on how to do proper rolling. Take your time, make it slow. It's not about doing it fast. All right? You'll feel better for it afterwards. Believe me, it feels great. And only do it, by the way, once every couple days. This is not something you do every single day. So be careful not to do too much on it. All right? See you soon.